Hey everyone, it's Chase again from MoonShot Money. We have been unable to share a new video with you for multiple reasons over the past several weeks. We as a team have been separated by business trips, quarantines, and the sickness of my grandfather. But hopefully we'll be able to get back on track to keep great investing information headed your way in the weeks that come. We also want to thank all of you again for your support. Chamath Palihapitiya, founder and CEO of Social Capital, chairman of Virgin Galactic, and co-owner of the NBA Golden State Warriors, is at it again in a really big way. Just a few days ago, he broke some really exciting news about one of his new SPACs, or Special Purpose Acquisition Companies. Stick around to the end of the video because we have some more exciting, brand new news to share that you'll want to hear about. Let's dig in and take a quick look at what Chamath is offering to investors like us. Let's go. Social Capital's new SPAC, ticker symbol IPOB, is merging with a company named Opendoor. Opendoor is the largest online consumer real estate business in the United States, and Chamath is taking Opendoor to the public market through a merger with IPOB. Let me remind you, MoonShot Money is not a financial advisory board. We're just retail investors like you. Please do your own due diligence before you invest your hard-earned money. In a recent CNBC interview, Chamath did a great job of shining light on his research and revealing his reasons for the Opendoor partnership. First, he said with IPOB, he wanted to partner with an iconic technology company. Second, he wanted to help this company transition from private ownership to the public markets. Thirdly, he wanted to enable an iconic company fund long-term growth and build a legacy company. Most retail investors like us are shut off from the best of the best Silicon Valley startups and could only dream of enjoying the profits of angel investors. So Chamath said he wants to democratize or even up that access. With ground floor investing access, we as investors can ride along and enjoy that growth of the business, and we really like that. When Chamath began looking at all the available industries that were ripe for disruption, one industry jumped off the page, and that was the consumer real estate industry. As you all well know, over the last few years, and especially during the last 6 months, everything that could possibly be sold online has moved to online sales, except a huge portion of consumer real estate. We are not talking about a low demand candle store here, as my dad likes to say. This is an industry that touches every single American. Home ownership is the heartbeat of the American dream. Listen to these statistics. 68% of Americans are homeowners, and the other 32% would probably love to be homeowners. And 5 million homes are sold every single year. This just might be the largest undisrupted market in the United States, and it's worth a whopping $1.6 trillion annually. This is where Chamath discovered Opendoor. If you like to watch DIY or HGTV shows about house flipping and you ever wanted to give it a try, keep watching this video. If you are a homeowner, you can go to opendoor.com and within 24 hours get an all-cash offer on your home. Then within 3 days, if you want to sell your home, you can sell it. Just as simple as that. That's the beauty of moving real estate online. Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger like to talk about that all-important moat that protects a business. Does Opendoor have any kind of moat? Chamath sees Opendoor making more and more house offers, buying and selling more houses, and eventually dominating large real estate markets. Then they can offer value-added services online such as mortgages, title, and escrow, all simply streamlined through a mobile app. Talk about convenient. If you've ever bought a home, you know the mountain of paperwork that has to be gone through at closing. Then there are some tailwinds that could help build that very important margin of safety. The real estate market is on fire. So many people are selling their homes in large markets and moving to the suburbs or down south like we're seeing here in Tennessee. People are moving here like gangbusters, and the housing inventory is very constrained, which is driving the market higher and higher. Heavy populated areas like California, New York, and New Jersey are seeing a mass exodus to states like Arizona, Florida, and Tennessee. With the pandemic, so many people are working from home, and this is going to continue into the foreseeable future. So people want to have the best location and the best home they can afford, optimizing their quality of life. A huge home buying catalyst is coming. 75 million millennials are entering the housing market right now. Couple that with the recent Federal Reserve interest rate policy to keep the interest rates near zero for a long time, and you've got more persistent tailwinds. If you add all these things together, you've got what Chamath sees as a nice margin of safety. Now, is Opendoor a proven business and can it be scaled? Listen to this. They currently have 70% of the online consumer real estate market, and they are 4.4 times larger than their nearest competitor. Opendoor's 2019 revenues were, are you ready? $4.7 billion, and their projected 2023 revenues are $9.8 billion. Using their current business model, if they could reach just 4% of the market share in the U.S. consumer real estate market, Opendoor could enjoy $50 billion in revenue. This IPOB and Opendoor merger values Opendoor at $4.8 billion, which is just one time their 2019 annual revenue. Or if you want to look at it another way, half of their projected 2023 revenue. Now let's pause here for a moment and talk about what Chamath Palihapitiya has pitched to investors in the past. He was a promoter of Bitcoin in 2012, and don't we all wish we had bought a few Bitcoins back then? He was a buyer of Amazon in 2015, and again, I wish I had bought all that I could afford to buy. Tesla was his play in 2016, and boy was he ever right about that. Hindsight, of course, is perfect. Last year, he brought Virgin Galactic to market, and we all know that SPCE has done great in the past year and the monstrous potential that's looming ahead. To be clear, ticker symbol IPOB is merging with Opendoor. If you want to participate in this opportunity, you need to buy IPOB shares, and they will eventually merge automatically into Opendoor shares when the merger is complete. Watch the price, buy the dips, and accumulate if you like what Chamath is saying. That's what we're doing. We're now just up 15% as of this filming, and it's still early. Our average cost is under $15. We promised you some new news, and here it is. Cathie and ARK Invest made a big purchase on Monday, September 28th, and Tuesday the 29th. And that was, you guessed it, IPOB. 199,715 total shares. We just can't express how much excitement that gives us to know that the analysts at ARK see the same value that we do. And there's more. Chamath has another SPAC, ticker symbol IPOC, which he has stated that will be merging with an international technology company. If you buy it now, you don't know what the company is that you'll eventually be getting, but you do know Chamath will pick a great company. So buy at your own risk, but know this, we are buying. I feel like an infomercial talking head, but there is more. Chamath has applied for IPOD, IPOE, and IPOF, which will soon be available for you to invest in as well. Keep your eyes open for those mergers that are on the way. Before you go, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, subscribe and join our growing community. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, so help us hit that milestone. We'll see you next time.